In our daily life, we always deal with integers. Discover how useful they are.
Points on a line and order. The natural numbers can be represented by equally spaced points on a straight line where the first natural number is 0. The natural numbers are ordered. They progress from small to large. As we move along the line from left to right, the numbers increase as indicated by the arrow at the end of the line. On the line, numbers to the left of a given number are less than the given number, and numbers to the right are greater than the given number. For example, 8 is greater than 5 because 8 is represented by a point on the line to the right of 5. Similarly, 3 is less than 6 because 3 is to the left of 6. Integers. If the straight line displaying the natural numbers is extended to left, we can plot equally spaced points to the left of 0. These points represent negative numbers which are written as the natural number preceded by a minus sign, for example, -4. The positive and negative whole numbers and 0 are collectively called the integers. The notion of order still applies. For example, -1 is less than 3. -2 is greater than -4 because the point on the line representing -1 is to the left of the point representing 3. Similarly, -2 is to the right of -4. Addition of integers. Brackets. Brackets should be used around negative numbers to separate the minus sign attached to the number from the arithmetic operation symbol. For example, 5 minus -3 should be written as 5 minus in brackets -3, and 7 times -2 should be written as 7 times in brackets -2. Note, never write two arithmetic operation symbols together without using brackets. Example: A. Work out into brackets +4 plus into brackets +2 using a number line. Starting from 4, move 2 steps to the right as shown on the number line. In brackets, +4 plus in brackets +2 is equal to +6. Example: A. Work out in brackets -2 plus in brackets +7 using a number line. Case 2. A. Work out in brackets +4 plus in brackets -2 using a number line. Starting from +4, move 2 steps to the left as shown on the number line. In brackets +4 plus in brackets -2 is equal to +2. Subtraction of integers. When subtracting a positive number from an integer using a number line, start from the first number and move left a number of steps equal to the integer being subtracted. Case 3. Example: work out in brackets +4 minus in brackets positive 7 using a number line. Starting from 4, move 7 steps to the left as shown in the number line. In brackets positive 4 minus in brackets positive 7 is equal to negative 3. C. Work out into brackets negative 6 minus into brackets positive 3. Starting from negative 6, move 3 steps to the left as shown on the number line. Into brackets, subtraction of negative integers. D. Work out into brackets positive 5 minus into brackets negative 3. Starting from 5, move 3 steps to the right as shown on the number line. Into brackets positive 5 minus into brackets negative 3 is equal to positive 8. E. Work out into brackets negative 4 minus into brackets negative 5. Starting from negative 4, move 5 steps to the right as shown on the number line. Into brackets negative 4 minus into brackets negative 5 is equal to positive 1.